My name's Ashley Nielsen, and my presentation is Are professional athletes paid too much? And personally, I do not think that they're paid too much. I honestly almost think that they're underpaid. First, kind of going into this, I want to talk about what it would be without them because the sports industry is one of the most profitable industries we have out there. And so without those specific players, there would not be an industry and there would be no profits coming from them, no income. And each holds a value and an opinion behind them, so people can make personal connections with them and make really their judgments off of that and enjoy watching them from there. Another example is how much money is made. To put it into perspective, for example, the Dallas Cowboys, their annual operating income is actually $5 billion. And if you average that out to each player that they have, it seems to be that they're underpaid. They could definitely be paying them more because with ticket sales, television, radio deals, ads, and merchandise, yet again, they are most profitable company out there in industry, which is the sports industry, which is crazy. But yeah, these are my works cited, and that was my presentation.